help keep workers safe and prevent accidents. During this inspection, experts check things like equipment, tools, and the work site to make sure everything is safe to use. One big thing I've learned is the that safety inspection can identify hazard. Hazard are things that could cause harm, like slippery floor or faulty machinery. By finding this hazard early, we can fix them before anyone gets hurt. Another thing I've learned is that safety inspection aren't just a one-time thing. They need to happen regularly to make sure everything stays safe. It's like it's like checking your car regularly to make sure it's running smoothly. I also learned that everyone has a role to play in safety inspection. Workers need to report any hazards they see, and managers need to make sure inspection happen regularly. Overall, safety inspections are crucial for keeping construction sites safe. They help prevent accidents, protect workers, and ensure that everyone goes home safely at the end of the day.